Hello pet lovers! Today we're diving into the world of grooming with the Oneisall Dog Grooming Kit. Perfect for tackling heavy, thick hair and coats with ease. This versatile kit is designed for all types of dogs, whether they have thick, matted hair or sleek, short coats. Thanks to its powerful 6,800 revolutions per minute motor and durable stainless steel blades. With 6 different guide combs, you can effortlessly trim your furry friend's hair to the perfect length, and the 2000 mAh rechargeable clippers offer up to 240 minutes of cordless use, enough to groom more than 3 dogs. The kit also includes an 800 mAh dog paw trimmer, specifically crafted for those sensitive areas like paws, ears, and the corners of your dog's mouth, ensuring a safe and comfortable grooming experience. Operating at a low noise level of under 55 decibels, these clippers won't scare your pet, making grooming a stress-free activity for both of you. Plus, with its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can easily clean the clippers under running water without any worries, and the included cleaning brush keeps everything in top condition. Whether you're at home or on the go, the wireless design and special locking function make this grooming kit a convenient and reliable choice for any pet owner. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.